Good morning, ma'am. My name is Janeme Reyes. I am 28 years of age. I am a Filipino. I have three kids. My eldest child is 8 years old, and my second child is 5 years old. I have three siblings, one sister, and two brothers. I am the third child in the family. I graduate in secondary education. I graduated in college for 2 years, taking Bachelor in Science and Office Administration. I am good in English since I used to interact with kids and adults. Based on my experience, I do have an experience in infant and child care. I love taking care of pets like dog and cats. I can be a helper and a companion of an elderly as well. In my previous job, my main duties are taking care of kids aged 4 and 8 years old and doing household chores such as cleaning, cooking, ironing, and marketing. During in my rest day, I am a very flexible person when you need.